A very warm welcome to Astro Yogi channel and wish you all a very happy new year 2021. We all must have spent really happily and joyfully with our loved ones, family members and near and dear ones. January marks the beginning of a new year. This month is all about corrections, resolutions, goals, plans and the path that we all choose to what? To ascertain that the year turns out to be good. So basically, this month, January month, is also called the planning month, isn't it? Because the previous year might not have been ended on a very good note for some. For some, they must have experienced really the best time of the year, spending time with their family members, working from home, etc. Unfortunately, for a very few, it must not have been a year because of hard hitting reality. Looking at how the previous year we all have dealt with, we know that we are going to cautiously take a few steps, make choices, and take decisions so that the upcoming year turns out to be better, happier, and contentful. We all know that the tables that we are setting are going to be turned to a very happier life, right? We all are welcoming the new year strongly, truly, with strength and courage. We all have shown the previous year has helped us to deal with the crisis boldly and hope for a better tomorrow. Will January 2021 be fruitful in terms of finances, in terms of career, with our loved ones, family ones? Will my love turn out to be a blossom? Oh, yes. Can we expect commitment? All of such questions are going to be answered right here. With the expert astrologer's help, they can get a very great sneak peek so that the upcoming year holds on with bold and future moves accordingly. Hi, I am Tara Polak from Astro Yogi, and today I'm here to take you through all 12 horoscope signs for the month of Jan 2021. If you all are watching this video and have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe and request to press the bell icon to get all the latest video updates related to astrology, horoscopes and tarot. Please feel free to give your feedback in the comment section right below. Right? Here it goes. The first sign Aries. Aries natives always have a urge to do something new and different. There is an innate restlessness in your temperament that leaves you unsatisfied with the status quo. You also be drawn into what you have not yet been experienced or done before. As the first sign of the zodiac, there is always an intense thirst for experience. This is how one acquires the knowledge to finally reach to the 12th sign Pisces, which carries a sprinkle of all the previous signs within it. This is a month of brand new transits that all of which conspires to push you to do something different. This is a month where on 4th of January, the Venus moves into Sagittarius, which promotes success in all you do, making this great month to push for victory. On the 28th of January, Venus as it moves into Capricorn, which grants you the opportunity to start something new, including a relationship or a career. On the 5th of January, as the Mercury influences in Capricorn, it creates a bountiful period for professionals and brings enthusiasm and just for all. You will become a true powerhouse. On the 25th of January, as the Mercury moves into Aquarius, which brings out your hyperactive, social, fiery nature. You will experience a great joy in whatever you do and itchy feel for travel. Post the 14th of January, you will pick up new assignments where you would like to work, achieve, and earn. Professionally, This is an excellent period for you, Aries. And once you all, whatever you want to grow in whichever field, and achieve your targets with a true sense of ease and momentum. Good luck. This is a generalized prediction for all 12 horoscope signs as per the planet transitory positions. In case if you want a very detailed astrological predictions, then please click on the link below given. You will get all your answers to your questions too. Have a great time.
Astroyogi, India's #1 live astrology app.